Morning everyone, I'm Lavanya from Lexis and Company Working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about ex parte evidence. When a petitioner presents their evidence in the form of documents, photographs or witnesses who can attest to the relevant fact, the court first permits their presentation before evaluation with the evidence, laws and rendering a decision on basis of that evaluation. The Supreme Court has ruled an ex parte decree which can be annulled in accordance to Order 9, Rule 13 of CPC is one that was issued after the plaintiff's evidence was taken into consideration but before the defendant had appeared at the trial stage. Circumstances when ex parte evidence is relied on. In accordance to Order 17, Rule 2 of CPC, a court may proceed to resolve the case in any of the ways listed under Order 9 in the event that a party to the suit does not present. Instances such as where the party defaults in providing evidence or witnesses or in carrying out any conduct required for the progression of the suit. Order 9 Rule 6A specified that in absence of the defendant, the court may proceed the suit ex parte. Is ex parte administration of evidence valid? In the case of JNR Babu and SN Babu versus Dr. B.C. Muttappa 2022, the Supreme Court noted that the defendant who has not submitted an application in accordance with the Order 9 Rule 13 of CPC may contend that ex parte proceedings against him were inappropriate while contesting the ex parte decree through an appeal. Against ex parte acceptance of evidence. It is ideal to note that the remedies that are available with regard to this will be ipso facto. An application of Order 9 Rule 13 of CPC 1908. When setting aside an ex parte decree, defendant may apply to the court by which the decree was passed for an order to set it aside. Two justifications are required, first being whether the summons was not properly served and second being there was a good reason for the defendant to be excused for showing up in the case of hearing. Lies under section 96 of CPC 1908. Any court order may be appealed barring any state in contrary. If the lawsuit's value is less than 10,000, appeal may only be made on a legal issue when an ex parte appeal is allowed after a judgment has been rendered. A review application under section 114 of CPC by a judgment or order from which an appeal is permitted, by a judgment order where there is no right to appeal, by decision by following a reference.